Very good evening, everybody.
Where we find garbage on the road and kids in the dustbin.
Yes, you can speak like fire.
Really nice. It is a very what? You are not able to go in toilet. But you need to give respect, Mr. I got your point.
You need to take a country where the history can be similar like us.
See, give me fact and data in which school teachers are not coming.
Hindu, Muslim. You are talking about Gaumut.
It is the policy failure or character failure. Tell me.
I cannot define you because you are not able to understand it.
Development from
Because I have been taught by in school this kind
I
of.
pretend to be a good man. Public don't have any civic sense.
Where is that money 400 crore?
A corrupted person.
Public is responsible. Totally different person after going in a foreign country. Why? Public is like the body of the nation.
Very good evening, everybody. Good evening, sir. Hey, good evening. Good evening, sir. Very good evening. Good evening, sir. How are you all today? So as you know very well, it is 31st January 2026. This is the last day of 2026 January. And today we have organized the mega debate at Buddh Vihar branch. So how many of you are excited to speak or hit in this debate, guys? Everybody? Yes, students of Buddh Vihar, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? And what about students of Mongolpuri? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Yes. As everyone knows about the topic, as everyone knows about the condition of India, and the topic is who is actually responsible for the poor condition of India? Our system or public? Public. Yes. Yes. Obviously, to decide between system or public, we guys are over here to speak or to fire in this mega debate. And I just want to see your iron, your roar, and your voice and your temperature about this mega debate. How and what you have learned from America Spoken Language Private Limited. And this is the time to tell everybody, yes, you can speak like fire. Are you guys ready? Yes. So we guys are waiting for everybody to speak so that everyone can get to know, yes, you guys are student of ASL, and students of ASL are just trained into this field so that whenever they go anywhere or for any kind of interview or examination, they will definitely hit the nail on the head. Are you guys ready for this? Yes. Yes. The topic is who is responsible for the poor condition of India? Government or public? So who would?
Good evening, all of you. This is Mughal Sharma here. The condition of India is very worst, and we are going in dark, and we don't have any future. And Narendra Modi is running this country, but he is sleeping by opening his eyes. And as you have seen, that you may have seen in Maharashtra, the purchased for 5,000. And in Bihar, 25,000 given for 5 members to cast to BJP. So this is a reality, and as you can see, the condition of Bihar and many villages and many states is very worst, and they are not able to provide good infrastructure, even basic infrastructure is as hospitals, government schools. It is very worst. People are not able to get that good treatment in their state, in Bihar and UP. They are coming in Delhi. As you can see, the AIMS hospital in Delhi, the bunch of people are sleeping outside of that hospital. They are not able to sleep, even sit inside the hospital, and they are being treated as an animal. So this is the reality of India. How can we expect the good future of India?
Mr. Modi used to play marbles with you?
No.
Okay. Did Mr. Modi used to play hide and seek and tag game with you?
Not maybe with somebody else.
Was he your
maybe
chuddy buddy friend?
Else. He has spoken.
Was he your chuddy buddy friend?
No.
No. Before starting your conversation, you said in the beginning that Modi gave 2,500 rupees.
He is sleeping by opening his eyes.
Yeah.
What he
you
is
said,
doing
yeah. I'm coming to your point, my dear. My dear. Cut a long story short. Why I'm saying, Mr. Modi, used to play marbles with you or not, because you said Modi is sleeping. First of all, the public, you don't have any civic sense, because we should also not talk about civic sense.
It's the government. It's the government responsibility, sir.
Let me complete my point.
Yes,
my
please.
dear. Let me complete. Let the barat reach. After that, bring the dulhan for Varmala. Okay.
Yeah, hurry up. Hurry up.
I'm saying one thing that in the starting you said Modi is sleeping. First of all, we are talking about civic sense to the people, those who have no sense, nonsense.
Okay.
Mr. Modi,
Okay.
Barat did not reach.
See, sir.
Barat did not reach.
What
Let
kind
me
of
complete my point.
civic
Let me complete.
sense
Please don't
does
spoil
Modi
my
have?
point. Okay, let me complete my point. In the starting, you said Modi is sleeping. First of all, whether you like him or not, whether you are from any other party or not, whether being a citizen of India, you are frustrated with the Prime Minister, but you need to give respect, Mr. Modi.
Yes.
I will not give. My constitution does not teach me ability, and it's my duty and it's my wish.
That's the thing.
It's my wish.
That a kid who is not 18 plus, okay, is still juvenile, and riding scooty, riding bike. So Mr. Modi did not gift him the key of bike and all. If they are riding bike, even kids 18 minus kids, juvenile kids are taking their Thar to Manali. Firstly, who the hell has given him Thar? If a kid is 18 minus, can never get a car by their own name, any vehicle, it would not be registered. Okay, if they are getting, this is the fault of public. Parents.
Obviously, I agree.
Parents cannot take care of their kids. They cannot make their kids understand that you should not ride the vehicle. You are not 18 plus. And even after 18 plus, a kid cannot ride vehicle until the kid is registered by taking the license.
I agree. And why don't government stop? Why don't government make a strict rule that if somebody is caught by riding or vehicle below 18, why government catch them, and why don't government punish their children and their parents? Why they are not making strict tax rules from them?
Okay.
They are taking bribes. Okay, like give me 5,000 rupees and it goes in the pocket. That's everything is good. Why government is not able to make the strict tax, and if somebody is riding a car and bike below 18, so there should be as a strict rule so that nobody can ride, nobody can think to ride and drive below 18. If they have no license to ride anything, the government needs to make strict tax rules and regulation for them, so that they will have some fear. They will have some fear that if I caught by the police officer, my parents will go to jail. But they are not going into jail. They are giving the bribes. They are taking money. And if somebody has approached that my ministry, like he is my home minister, is my uncle and chacha, please call him. He wants to talk to you.
Fault of public.
He wants.
You also keep
why government is ready to take
cap
bribes,
of police
sir?
on dashboard of file of Delhi police. In spite of that, you are hot crap.
Sir, you know what happened in Uttarakhand? Ankita Bhandari, she was raped, she was killed by government, by the I think
By
MP,
government?
Yeah, by MP
Okay.
or MLA.
The BJP
by MP
flag
or
came.
MLA system. I'm not talking about Mr. Modi. I'm not including Modi anywhere.
Mr. Modi.
I'm talking about MLA, MP. They were in that case, and the resort was of MLA of MP in Uttarakhand. She was raped. She was forced to work there. She was forced to sleep with that guy. I think minister or home minister or I don't know. She was forced to sleep with them. Why it's happening? Government is doing this thing. Why she will sleep with somebody else? And she was bound to I think commit suicide. She didn't have any option. She denied, and as she run out from there, she was killed. She was caught. She was kidnapped. What happened after that? Everybody knows. I think.
Okay, possibilities.
Yeah.
Tell me,
Government is not-
how India got freedom? How India got freedom?
How?
Was
By making rules, by making,
was a 23-year-old Sardar in system? I'm talking about Martyr Bhagat Singh. No, he was not in system. He was
Yeah.
just a public.
Yeah.
Public took the responsibility. Public took the responsibility.
Public
and
will
India
take.
got freedom.
Public
if
will
public
take.
takes
If-
the responsibility.
if there is a strict rule.
I let you speak now. Let me speak. You were just saying that if a kid is riding a scooty okay, their parents and public, there should be more police, okay, there should be so many traffic police. So I want to tell you one thing, that if a person thinks that his wife is having extramarital affair, so person cannot guard his wife at home. He also has to go for making ends meet. He has to earn money, bring home the bacon. Okay, if the person takes care of his wife, would never be able to succeed. You are talking us to go on the moon. You are one side you are saying about Japan, China and such kind of things, and second side you are saying that we need to go for so many policemen at every red light signal. My dear, we cannot go for so many policemen. This is the public, they have to take responsibility. If public can spend 500 rupees per person for watching Border Tooth movie, so why they cannot donate 100 rupees in army donation?
So why don't you punish them, sir?
They are donating in temples.
Why don't
They
you
are
punish-
donating in temples.
Sir,
They are
why don't
wasting
you
money in
punish?
coconut.
Why name of Ram to get votes? Why do you
Because
do
you
that?
people are fool. You say
It is your fault. It's your duty.
My dear.
Sir, people have no power. People do not have any kind of power. The government have much power. They can make rules, and they should think that for the nation, what they are doing.
What kind of rule?
They keep on
you
thinking
took
about
30,000
winning
rupees for
election.
toilet, and after that you open tailor shop in the toilet.
Modi.
Now tell me just a minute. One more thing I want to talk. If you are talking about civic sense, one thing I want to tell you, that India has civic sense. We are the largest. We are on the top, but only in population. Why? Because the people in India, there is no reason of population. The biggest reason of population is what? That people, they dream to have a baby boy, and after that they just keep on going for so many girls child, because delivery is free in hospitals, and after that you have to. Now tell me, sir.
Public property which is given by the government, the condition. Do you know condition? You should visit
I have
the Bihar. You should visit the Bihar. You should visit the Uttar Pradesh. You should visit some areas of Delhi. It is a very what? You are not able to go in toilet. How can you go? There's very bad smelling. People are peeing outside of that like that because they don't have any good infrastructure. They don't have any place to go there. That is why they are able to, they don't have any option.
You know about South
to do
Delhi?
that.
In South,
I have seen there. The condition is very same. I work over there, sir, for 9 hours. I work in South Delhi. The condition is same. The post area road is very bad. There are a lot of potholes. MLA says that we will make the road like a Sunny Leone cheeks. Sunny Leone cheeks.
but now the road is like
What happened?
biceps.
What happened? Sir, what happened? They are in the power.
उसको बोलने दे यार.
Hema Malini.
हेमा मालिनी का बोला, हेमा मालिनी.
What happened, sir, after that? Please go in Vasant Kunj. Go in Vasant Kunj.
एक मिनट silent हो जाओ.
Go in Vasant Kunj. You will find a bunch of potholes on the road. It's the post area of Delhi, and you are talking about the South Delhi. It is very worst condition, and I am not talking about the North Side Delhi. It is the more than worst.
Okay.
That.
I want to tell one thing. System. Okay. There is MLA in Mangolpuri. There is MLA in Budh Vihar. You come from Mangolpuri. Okay. And so many students are sitting here from Budh Vihar. But if we talk about Mangolpuri, day by day crime is increasing because people having no civic sense.
Okay.
Their people are earning for quarter.
I agree.
Their people are earning for quarter. Means after 100 meter of distance, the mentality is changing. After 100 meter of distance,
What police officers are doing there? They are sleeping. They are getting bribed. They are getting bribed. They are visiting a shop. They are charging. They are asking for 500 and 1,000
so why you are having from
After
those
that,
cards?
you will be able to run this.
Why you are
shop.
supporting encroachment? Stop having from those cards.
We are.
You are having because you are supporting.
Because police
you
are
supporting.
Police are getting
you
money.
play victim card. We are poor. बाबूजी कहाँ जाएंगे?
of-
है ना? Okay.
My side is that the only government is not responsible. It is the people who should take responsibility for their act and other things. So first, let me start my debate. So actually, we live in democracy, and democracy's first rule is by the people, of the people, for the people. Okay, it's all about people, not about government only. Government is also made by people only. So we just talking about government doesn't make any sense. So that's my start. You can share your opinion.
Okay, as per I think, we can be very comfortable by calling ourselves that we we are the largest democracy in the world, when in the reality, ground reality is fully different. We can say that we have made the government, in spite of that, facilities are being provided, but what if people are not working? For example, you can say that we are providing you the facility, we are providing you the teachers, we are providing you the buildings. What if teachers are not teaching? We are providing you the doctors. What if they are not treating? We are providing everything. So why they are not working? So do not be in this misunderstanding that providing
Okay.
everything is enough.
So
you
are
are providing,
teachers
you are
robot?
providing.
Okay, so I got your point. So I got your point, but my basic question is, are those teachers robots? Those teachers you're talking about, those employees you're talking about, these are robots.
No, of course they
People,
are,
right?
Yes,
One of
course,
us, right?
Of course.
So who will take the responsibility? It has to be one of us, right? So if I am studying, you are studying. Either one of us will get qualified and work as a teacher, right? Or somewhere else. So after becoming a teacher, it is not my responsibility to work for the people. So now at that time you will say, no, that's the government's fault, not my fault completely. Why is it so? Because you know why? Because it is very easy, it is inherent in our culture or in our mindset that blaming others will make us feel superior. And that superior is not taking us anywhere.
I don't know why you have this misunderstanding that, of course, see, people can make mistake, and teachers, they are also human. Of course, they will make mistake. But the main issue is that, people start following their responsibility, which you are talking so-called responsibility. They are following it when they think, or when they, when they find themselves that, yes, of course, if we are not following, we will be punished. But in the reality, because your government is not taking any kind of action, you guys are not setting any kind of example. That is why crime rate is actually increasing. We can see that we have teachers, but in the reality nobody is teaching. See, the teacher is not the person who has qualified everything. The teacher is the person who knows how to teach, what to teach, when to teach.
So it was about government who should take responsibility, right?
Yeah, of course.
Have you heard the name of a country, Norway?
Yeah, of course.
So they are shutting down their jails. So
Yeah.
are they promoting crimes? Are they? Let me give you one more example. We have plenty of jails, plenty of rules. But who will follow it? Government?
See,
Will it be government who will be following it? Or will I say, now government will have to put gun on everyone's head that follow it or I will kill you? Do you want such kind of action to be taken in India? Or is it
course
even
not.
possible? So let's talk about schemes and other things, right?
and one, I guess I need to counter this point. If
No,
you have-
I countered your point. Now let me make one of my other points. I countered your point. It was your point, crimes
Okay,
thing.
okay.
So now let me talk about government schemes that you are saying that government is not taking any responsibility. Let me give you one example. There was a scheme in Madhya Pradesh, Kanya Vivah Yojana. I don't know if anyone have heard of this or not. So it was about, sponsoring others' marriages. So there were cases that people who are already married are doing second marriage just to take those 50,000 rupees. Or there are many, like, suppose let's talk about Bihar's election. People got 10,000 rupees and they voted for their, what? For government that gave 10,000 rupees. And they didn't think about their future. Like, what will that government give in that future? There's only 10,000 rupees and they were ready to give the vote to their favorite government. Why? My question is, we say that India is not developing, but are we choosing government on the basis of development or on the basis of our caste, our religion and other things? If we talk about on those bases, we'll get the same thing. You're not choosing a government in the basis of education or in the basis of other development.
Okay, I love the way you just proved that how lenient your government is. By these two examples, you actually proved.
I guess you misunderstood me.
You actually proved that how lenient your government is, how easy it is to make your government fool. I can
All the way around.
I can cast my vote again. I can I can get married again. See how easy it is to make your government fool. Second thing, earlier you talked about democracy and constitution or something. See, it is so easy to call yourself democratic or we are the largest democracy. We have the largest constitution. See, by calling or by having rules, books, rule regulation will not matter unless you start following them strictly. Your government.
You're not countering my point.
Your government is.
I asked a different question, my dear.
Your government is unable. Your government is unable in the implementation. You guys have made a lot of rules. A lot of You guys have amended your constitution even more than 100.
Okay, so the France constitution, do you know how many times it has been made? France
Sir,
constitution.
Why to compare a city?
Comparison is everything.
Of course,
If you will not compare others, you will not know your reality.
Sir, you need to look at the history because
5 or 4 times the France constitution was made from again. It was rewritten. It was rewritten. And this is the quality of my constitution. This is the quality of my constitution that you can amend it at the time. Amending your constitution is one of the qualities. Amending a constitution is one of the qualities.
Sir,
because time changes, you have to change.
Sir, listen. Comparison is the best thing, but you need to go for the right comparison. I cannot speak or sir cannot make me speak with a guy who has just started from the should. Can he? Of course not, because he knows that is not the right comparison, that is not the right debate. So you need to take a country where the history can be similar like us. We were slaves.
Let's take similar history. You're talking, right? Pakistan has a similar history, right? Because
sir, why to compare with the country?
What do you want me to compare with? You tell me.
Not done something.
You should put your words in my mouth. You should put your words in my mouth.
That you want to speak first. Please go ahead.
In my point of view, government is responsible for the bad condition of India. Minister, he promised Indian people to give 1 billion job, but since 1 billion job, it was Modi's word, and till 2026 it's not even crossed 5 million. So like, where is the employment of India now? Listen, pay attention.
Sure.
Now my second point is, like in 2012 UGC law was implemented in the government of Congress, but in 2026 when UGC law was modified by the Modi, it was not good for the general category. Like, it was dividing our nation. Like Modi ji earlier used to say, like, batoge to katoge. Now by implementing the law of UGC, now he is dividing our nation himself. Before he was trying to divide our nation Hindu and Muslim. Now he is dividing Hindus further, general, OBC, ST,
That India is the only country where we find garbage on the road and kids in the dustbin. All right, I'll tell you. Now let me speak. Do you know something about Mahabharat?
Yeah.
Do you know something about Mahabharat?
I know, but
all right, you do not know. That's fine. Okay, because you were very much focused getting a job, which was being provided by the government. Let me speak.
I know I am Brahman. Even after paying attention to my studies, even I'm not sure will I get job in future or not. Because of the even after putting my all efforts to my studies, I am not sure in future will I get job or not. So what kind of job are Indian government promising to the people?
Let me ask you. Let me just answer me one thing. Why do we find kids in the dustbin and road on the why we find the garbage in the roads? Why is it happening? We are not asking you to produce babies. Are we? Are we asking you to produce babies, or are we asking you to throw on the roads? Are we asking them, or are you the mother of Kunti? Are you the Kunti mother? All right, because that's fine. That's fine. They are not. We are not living in that Mahabharat Kal. All right, and no one is Kunti here that you are having to leave your son behind. All right, you are not all Karna here. You are just regular human beings. All right, and what you are doing is you are just blaming every whatever is happening. You are just blaming us. All right, now let me speak here. The other point. All right, India is the only country where you cannot get forward unless you are backward. let me give you an example. In 2016, Jat Andolan. All right, you know how rich they are, how freaking rich they are, and they still were asking for reservation. You know why? Because they did not want to do hard work. They wanted to be the part of system corrupted. This is
why
what you are. This is you know when. Okay, everybody, do you watch movies, my friend? Do you watch movies?
I don't watch.
All right, my audience watches. I'll let you know. Guys, do you watch Nayak the Real Hero? In which that's really great. See, we are not from public sector. We are
which
still
movie?
supporting you.
Which movie? Nayak.
That's fine. It's
Nayak.
Nayak the Real Hero, in which Anil Kapoor becomes CM of one day.
One day.
All right, and he finds that he was very nice and he tried to help people. All right, since he was just a CM of one day, he went to a colony, all right, which was constructed by the government
If a
itself.
man
Let me
can
complete.
do-
My dear
if
friend,
a
you let me
man-
speak.
if
My
a
dear
man-
friend,
Sir,
you know,
मैं
let me
पीछे रुक
speak.
जाता हूँ.
All right, there's a character called Tukaram. All right, he was allotted the government flats. You know what he did? He rented that government flat and started living again on the Cronsbet
Because
streets.
of-
This is what public do. We, no matter how many schemes, how many policies we get you, but you still misuse all the policies.
Yeah.
This is what public
Now let me tell you the example of Nayak movie. In that, Anil Kapoor was made the CM of any state for one day, and he did whatever he could done in one day, and he did everything good for the public. But when CM is not able to do anything good for the public in 5 years, one day, and you say because he wanted to, he like to do that. Now second thing, you said like in the people who lives in slum area, they allotted the flat from the government, and they are renting their flat for just 4,000 5,000 per month. Why? Because of unemployment. If Indian government is able to give them a job, so why would they go for renting their
Alright.
flats? It
You
is
spoke very well.
it is the
You
fault
spoke
of
very well.
government. Now second thing. Now let me tell the second thing. Why Indian government is bent on decreasing the level of general people. Like as you said, you watch movie.
Yeah, general
and
people are dying, by the way.
Let me tell second thing. As you said, the movie 3 Idiot. In that you know about the Chatur, what?
All right, go ahead. I guess you are one of them.
Chaturlingam. What he said, if you want to score the first position in anywhere, so you have two ways. First, do more hard work than everybody, and second, don't let anybody hard work. The same funda is implemented by the same funda is in practice by the Indian government. Because they are not able to increase or uplift the level of backward caste, so they are trying to decrease the level of upper caste by implemented UGC law. I want to ask why UGC was implemented.
Okay. I saw in the reel as well. So let me just ask you one thing. What do you think that AI is danger for us or not? For the people, those who are working right now.
I don't
do you
have the
think?
knowledge of.
No. What do you think? AI is dangerous or not? Simple answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
AI is not
Yes.
let me complete. You don't have civic sense. You are talking about civic, even you
Yeah,
don't
because
have.
you guys selected
Let
us,
me
so
tell
we
you.
don't have any civic
AI
sense.
is not more dangerous than government. AI is
government
not
is
more
dangerous.
than government.
Wow.
AI teaches us everything, but AI is not being taught in school because of government.
let
And
me
what is
speak.
being taught in
My
school?
friend-
Like who is the
my
beta
friend,
of Akbar?
you are not
Akbar ka
countering
beta
my
kaun hai,
point.
baap kaun hai, dada
You
kaun
are
hai?
just beating around the bush.
Like
You are just
if I
beating
go
around
for
the bush.
interview, does anybody ask for the life?
Okay, that's nice.
Let's take my
Really nice.
take you want.
Everything that happens in a country, all the things that can be related to education, institutions, policies, election. These all things are conducted and managed and performed by the government. And there are also many performed and there are also many hardworking people
Modi
and
is
those
studying.
who are talented, those who are skilled, and they want to perform their talent on a big level. So I just want to make you understand one thing, that when the country is underdeveloped despite of having hardworking people, the failure is not the institutional, it is individual. It is not institutional, it is individual. That's the thing that I want to make. Yes.
You know, Indians do one thing very well. Actually, two things. One
Yes.
is blaming others,
Yes.
and second is dreaming. You guys dream when it comes to development. You guys dream about Japan, China, America. And when
Okay.
it comes to civic sense and responsibility, you are no less than Bangladesh
Okay.
and Pakistan. Bring some civic
I
sense
think-
in yourself.
I think, sir, you are talking about that kind of civic sense when politicians are in a function and at that time they say to IAS officer that please bring the dustbin. I want to throw my tobacco. In the dustbin.
At least they are throwing in a dustbin, not on a wall where it is written "Kripaya na thuke" and spitting on
yes.
na, spitting on na, and it becomes
that-
"Kripaya yahan thuke."
And that's also the good thing that they are calling an IAS officer for that thing. Yes,
So
that's
what
the
is
good
bad
thing.
in
na.
keeping our country
That's the good
clean?
thing. It is your civic sense that you are talking about. You are saying to people that do not use tobacco and do not eat these kind of things. But
I am not. I never said that do not eat tobacco. I
But
never said
still,
that.
you are eating these all things in front of
I
public.
never said that. That do not eat tobacco.
But you
I
are
said do
eating
not
these all
spit
things
on walls.
But you are eating and you are just
I'm
performing
not
these all
eating.
things in front of people and even in a function. And after that, you are saying to that person who just did a lot of hard work to clear one exam that is known as UPSC.
This is the problem of the public that
Okay.
you come here after getting graduated from WhatsApp or
Okay.
Instagram
Okay.
without actually researching things.
Okay.
Let me tell you a case. Many people told me that one politician, what he said in assembly, if rape is inevitable, just lay down and enjoy it. He said it, and many people were raising that point before. What actually happened there? He was not literally targeting the word rape. That was a metaphor. Metaphor. Do you know the meaning of metaphor? Rupak Alankar.
Yes.
You must have studied if you
Yes.
have gone to school in 6th or 7th. So it was a metaphor which he was using for the word chaos, because at that time chaos was happening in that assembly. So his literal meaning was that if chaos is inevitable, lay down and enjoy it.
Okay. That's your problem that you are not providing that much good education system so that we can afford that kind of knowledge.
We are providing education for free, and what you guys are doing, what students are doing in the
No, no.
schools, scraping
Now
the
let me
paints away
speak.
from the wall and bending the fans on farewell day.
Okay,
Then you blame the government for
you
not
are
providing better
us
infrastructure.
facilities. You are providing us facilities, I am agree. You are saying you are providing us school. Teachers are not there. You are providing
According
us
to what
hospitals.
data teachers are
You
not in the school?
providing us
According to what
hospitals,
data? Give me
but
fact and
doctors are
data.
not
Give me
there.
fact and
Let
data.
me speak. Let
Give
me
me
speak.
fact and
You are
data.
providing us hospitals, but doctors are not there. You are implementing schemes, but they are not working properly. What kind of system are you talking
Give
about,
me
brother?
data,
What
give
a
me
kind of
actual
system are
data
you
and
talking
fact.
about?
This system does not work on your conspiracy. Give me fact and data. In which school teachers are not coming?
Now I'm giving the example of my own school.
Don't give personal example. I will give example that my school was having PhD teachers. I can lie. Do not give personal examples.
Okay.
I was also
You
passed from
can go
government
in
school.
every Mongolpuri school, you will find that.
I will not go. I am not here to go in
So
the
that's your
Mongolpuri
problem,
schools.
na, that you don't want to go. You
So,
don't want
give
to
me
serve. That's your
I will
problem,
not
brother.
go to
It's
a
not
sting
my
operation.
problem.
I will not go for a sting
Yes,
operation
firstly,
in
you are
every
asking
school.
to me
In
and
every
after
school
that
of
I am
India.
giving you solution, but you are not accepting it.
It is the responsibility of new
It's like about the unemployment and all, but still there are people who have passed.
Not everyone can get government job. Not everyone can get government jobs. You are preparing for government jobs
now
till
let
40.
me speak. Who have passed 12th class and all, but still they are not getting job. They are not getting better job. And you were saying that you should not compare your country with others. Why should we not compare, brother? Because we chose you, so
Compare your
it's your
civic sense as well. I am saying
to make
compare
our
your civic
country
sense
like
as
those
well.
countries. It's
Compare your civic sense as well and responsibilities as well.
It's your responsibility. Now let me speak one point. What America is talking about, America is saying that we want to go on the moon and all again. China is talking about the infrastructure. Japan is talking about the technology. And what you guys are talking about Hindu, Muslim. You are talking about Gaumutra. You are talking about this type of things, brother.
And what children of America and China are doing, they are making rockets at home, trying to make a DIY rockets at home. And what Indian children are doing in Bihar, they were stealing the bolts from a newly inaugurated bridge. They were stealing the bolts from their children. This is what Indian children are doing.
Because
If you are comparing development, compare civic sense as well.
Because they
what
want-
you did on International Yoga Day,
Because-
you stole lakhs of yoga mats on International Yoga Day.
Brother, because they wanted to check the quality of bolt.
Yoga mats. They wanted to check the quality of yoga mats.
No, I am not talking about yoga mats. Because they wanted to check the quality of bolt that our government is providing us in a good way or not. That's the thing. Because that they may have painted the wooden bolt into a silver paint. So that's why they were checking it. That's the thing, brother. Every place, and after that you are saying this type of things to us. Then how can you say that? No, I am giving you answer in your way.
Answer in my way.
Yes.
Okay, let me give you an.
Now I just want to,
let me raise
like
a
you
point.
always say that our country is on the 4th largest number in terms of GDP and all, but still we are not like the Japan and all the other countries that are behind us. You can take example of Japan.
Again, you are comparing with Japan.
Brother, we will have to compare because we want to be like them. We will have to compare because we are not like them, and we want our country like Japan. We want our country like USA. We want our country like China. We want that kind of infrastructure.
Then in Japan, no one is spitting pan masala on the walls. Ki ji aaho Bihar ke lala. no one is doing that as well.
And brother-
Keep your country clean.
And they,
You are very good public, right? So let me give you two cases that happened in 2024.
yes.
First is an Indian railway. A rail got derailed because some citizens threw LPG cylinder on the tracks, and that rail got derailed and thousands were killed on September 8, 2024. And on August 18, 2024, Sabarmati Express again got derailed because citizens actually jammed 93 centimeter metal on the tracks.
Okay.
Thousands were killed.
Okay. So I just want to ask, where were your security at that time? When
Do
they
you
were
want
doing
us
this
to
type of-
survive every square meter of a track?
do
We
you
do
know-
not have that much police
do you
officer. We
know
do not
if-
have that much police officer or security staff.
If
We do not
any
have.
rape case happens in our country at that time, what they do, they just do not take any type of action. But if these type of things happen in any other country, at that time they directly take the action. So that's the problem. You can just attach the situation with the example that you gave to me,
Okay, okay.
about the slander
you
and all.
talked about rape
Where
cases.
were your
Yes.
security at that
no,
time?
No,
I
you
want to
talked
ask.
about rape cases. Now let me let me raise another point related to it. In India, 31.
Now-
Let me speak. In India, 31.2% of women face domestic violence according to National Family and Health Survey 5.
Okay.
Okay. And out of which 30% are marital rapes, which is like done by husband himself. And listen, out of total cases that happens in India, 93% of cases go unspoken, and the reason which was stated was society pressure, which is created by
Okay, so
public
that
only.
It is.
You are suppressing governments. You are suppressing
It is
governments,
last minute.
not governments. You are suppressing governments.
It is last minute, so I want to put my last point also.
I have civic sense. I will not stand on.
No, I am
These are
also
for
doing that.
sitting. These are for sitting.
I am
Balls
also-
are for
That's your
there
civic
for
sense that you are
infrastructure, not for
not letting
sitting.
me.
For the poor condition of India has become the easiest excuse to escape public responsibilities. We live, we live in a nation where toilets are constructed, where roads are built, where campaigns are being launched. But India still struggles with indiscipline and chaos because policies do not fail first, but people do. Okay. And one of the main things is that there is a saying by Premchand ji, India doesn't suffer from that India doesn't suffer from lack of schemes, but suffers from lack of civic sense.
Lack of
Just tell me what is the condition of roads, what is the condition of schemes are you talking about? I want to tell you, I want to say that
Yes.
you said me that road, you have made that, or you can say that you told me about the schemes, you have launched many of the schemes. But what happened when we need that scheme, if we call to them, but they say that we don't have time, it's our lunch time is going on, so
Prime Minister Ujjwal Yojana.
it is gone. You can say that the scheme is expired now.
I'm
so
talking
you
to
can,
you,
and
Prime
if I
Minister
talk about
Ujjwal
road,
Yojana.
if I talk about road, you can see the real condition of road. You are
Okay.
taking, you can say that much money for
How
building
much
road.
money we are taking in terms of tax? Tell me.
I said that the road. I don't know how much money you take because I don't care
But you are
about it.
taking-
I care about
we are
that.
taking a lot of
what
money.
is the
Tell me
result?
how much money we are
What is
taking?
the result? You can say that you took for making Pragati Maidan. You took 60 crores, and but
That
you
was
means
55
what-
crore,
where
not
did
60
you-
crore.
No, okay, 65. Okay, 65 crore. Where did you spend it? Where did you spend it? Did you spend it? Now you just tell me that safety in the terms of state, it is the responsibility of government to provide us safety. But what is happening here?
It is
You
also the
can see-
responsibility
no,
of
no.
the mindset of citizen.
Mindset of citizen.
Let me tell you one thing.
Sir, let me speak first.
Okay.
I haven't completed my point. This is the one of the most important thing which should be provided by government. But what is
Education and health.
what is happening? You can say that minister is doing some. You can say that such kind of the things from which we cannot expect from you that you will.
What
provide
about
us-
you public? You public are bent on kissing in metros. It is good.
Okay, we are kissing on the metros. Now you tell me that you want India should be become like Japan and America. If we are adopting their habits, so what is wrong in it? What is wrong in it? You want a developed country? Not.
Does your public have that much civic sense to compare with Japan and Singapore? Tell me.
Do government have? You know what they are doing. Before one day of election, they are coming at our home and they are begging for the votes. And after that,
They
what
are begging
doing?
for
They
the
nothing.
votes. You
They
are
doing
absolutely
nothing.
right, ma'am. They are begging for the votes,
And you know
people
they are also
you
corrupted
people
because
are
they
bent
are
on being
they
sold
are
at the
giving us
bottle
money
at
for
2 rupees
purchasing
for-
their votes. Why? Are you not capable? Are you not capable of getting votes? Why do you need to sell your votes?
Tell me a single thing. People, citizens are good. Government is bad.
Okay.
Citizens are good. Public is bad.
The first
Government is bad
you
or not?
You
Government
are
is bad or not? Our leaders are bad or not? Tell me.
Your leaders are very bad.
Why do we keep on winning elections?
Sir, because
Why?
sir, you are coming at our home and you are begging for the votes, and after that you are selling it. Okay.
Let me tell you one of the ground stories of the legend. A man named Jitendra Singh Shanti, a man who helped several not poor people, several families during pandemic times. He worked almost non-stop. He kept burying the bodies of families, those who don't come forward. And you people didn't vote him because you were bent on being sold at the price of bottle at price of rupees 250. Tell me.
Sir, you told me about the civic sense. First of all,
What is civic sense? Define it.
I will define you because you are not able to understand it.
Because an educated one cannot be able to explain an educated one. That is the reality of yours.
Let's come on the, CM, CM की जो बात है, you know that Kejriwal, he was our CM, he was our CM, and what happened? He was providing us everything. He was providing us free education and everything. On the day of elections, we voted him, but just because of your corruption,
Did you vote
the
him?
boxes were
Did you
changed.
vote him?
Something was changed and
Did you
the
vote
plan,
him?
something was planned over.
Did you vote him?
Yeah, I voted. Yeah, I voted. Now you just tell me. You know
Single thing.
how you are winning votes.
You
Just
voted him
because of
not for the
corruption.
development of country.
Just
You voted
because
him
of
just for
corruption you are
2100 rupees.
You know.
सिस्टम की बात करो MCD
Single thing, a campaign that was launched by our Indian government that is called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Yeah.
Around 90,000 crore rupees was spent under it.
I am not able to see the result.
Celebrity was participated even it. And tell me, people still chose to defecate openly. People still chose to throw garbage next to them, not inside dustbin.
Sir.
It is the policy failure or character failure. Tell me, policy one or character one.
So,
It is the policy failure or character failure.
policy.
Policy failure. That claims you are uneducated. I truly don't expect from my government that we have given that much education you because you are not able to deserve our education.
We are not. So where is your education? Tell me that where your children go for studying. You know, Indian education system is that much. You know, it is not enough. Means we cannot study in that, and and just because of this
If
thing
you
you
have
are
money, go
sending your
abroad.
student
If you
abroad
have
for
money, go
studying.
abroad. I will send my children because I live in America.
No, you are corrupted, sir. Because you are, you know what
Still,
you are doing.
even
You
if
are
I'm
just
corrupted,
speaking,
you will
you
be
are
my
keeping
servant
those
only.
money, those are for us.
Even if I'm corrupted, you will be my servant only, nothing but.
Do not have civic sense, so unfortunately I have got the opportunity to raise my point. Okay, so first of all I want to ask, do you really want development?
Yes, ma'am. Why not? May you mention anyone who don't want development?
Okay, so as you guys are talking about the development, how your Jija, Tau or Chacha will be the next MLA if you really want development?
Okay.
Do you want an educated leader? Do you
Yeah,
want
why not?
how you're again Jija will be the next MLA?
Okay, ma'am. Let me put my point. You know, actually, what happened in India? If we see the leader of the other countries like Europe, like Western country, they keep on talking about the development. They keep on talking about the equality. They keep on talking about the fundamental rights. But you know what our leaders do? They said, once Mulayam Singh said, लड़के हैं गलतियां हो जाती हैं ना. That kind of leaders if we have in our government, how can we expect development from
Because
them?
you are the one who has chosen them.
Ma'am, actually, you know what is the problem? At the time when we adopted Indian Constitution in 1950, it is a kind of social contract between the government and the public. And as we have read the Indian preamble, we have the people of India. So we have given that duty to government. The public was not able to understand that kind of things. That's why we entrusted that duty to government, or what kind of responsibility they have fulfilled. All the world know about that. No, very well know about that. You must have heard about the license Raj. India have gotten independence. It's near about 80 years have been passed. Out of that 80 years, we kept on following, Indian government kept on following license Raj. During 1950 to 1991, if half of the time has gone in that underdevelopment time, then who is responsible for underdevelopment of India, whether it is public or government?
Again, sir, I have a question for you. Do you really want the clean streets and the roads? Sir, please give me answer yes or no.
Ma'am, I think you should
Sir,
not.
I am asking
ma'am,
about yes or no.
yeah,
I am asking about
counting
yes
your
or no.
point.
Because I have to raise my point.
Each and everybody want.
Okay, so what you people do when we are providing you the trash trucks, which when they come at your home, what do? You throw the garbage from your balcony and it throws in it falls down on the streets and the roads. So instead of doing this, you really want the do you really want the clean roads and the streets? Because you do not have civic points. You guys are that much lazy that you are unable to put your legs downstairs to throw that garbage into the trash truck.
Ma'am, my learned friend, I want to advise that you should not raise that point. Because you know why? We have given you 100 of crores in order to clean Ganga, in order to clean Yamuna. Nah. What
So
happened
who are
with
the
that
ones-
money?
who are
What
the
happened
ones-
with
who are
that
the
money?
ones to
Ma'am, let me
destroy
complete. I haven't interrupted you when you were speaking. Let me complete first. Who is the responsible for the water pollution? Nah. You have established a lot of machineries, a lot of factories near the river system. And the garbage system of that factories are going directly into our Ganga and Yamuna. Still, you are not able to stop them. Nah, you are directly violating my right to personal liberty, my right to life, and you are talking about my civic sense.
Yes, sir. As you said, sir, as you raised your topic, your point of water pollution and pollution and all. As we all know that winters are here, and you public are the one to make the bonfire of the garbage to warm your hands. and instead of that, you are the one. And after doing this all, you really want the pollution-free city?
Okay, ma'am. There was a Kejriwal government for near about 8 years. They completely put ban on the fire, especially on the
Instead of that, you guys are doing.
Let me complete, ma'am. I am not interrupting. Why you interrupting
Yes,
me, na?
yes.
At that time, there was a complete ban on firecrackers. But recently, your BJP government came into power and they removed that ban on the firecrackers. And you can see the condition of the pollution, especially in the Delhi. Then who is responsible for that pollution? Whether it is public or when government had given free hand to public.
So if
Go and fire firecrackers. Then how can you blame public?
because
Ma'am,
you are the one who elected them. You are
Ma'am,
the one who elected
and
them.
ma'am, who is the responsible for the implementation of the policy? Government is interested with that kind of policy implementation. Public is not interested for implementation of the policies. Are the responsible for the pollution in the whole country. What about the factories? What about the stubble burning?
Sir, I haven't said.
What about the water pollution? What about the earth soil pollution?
I haven't-
Why don't you talk about that?
Sir, I haven't said only about the firecrackers. I have raised that point which you public make the bonfire of garbage and let that fire just because you want to warm your hand. So go and search and read your history because 3,000 years Brahmins were the ones who ruled that, and and as we all know that Bhimrao Ambedkar was the person who was from SC caste, and he has suffered from discrimination in his own society. So he has raised that voice for the people, those who come from backward caste. And you guys are saying that why are we raising casteism?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you must have seen whenever government came into power, they keep on giving their candidates who belong to majority of the population there. So who is responsible for casteism? You are giving your candidate who belong to majority of the population, then government is responsible for that. And ma'am, as it is the last minute, so you have given a lot of fun night. Now it is my turn. Ma'am, you are talking about the bad condition of India. Is the public who has imposed emergency in 1975. The Indian government imposed emergency just because Supreme Court said that Indira Gandhi have to expel from the Indian Parliament and she will not be able to contest election for next 10 years. Now, just because of that, you imposed national emergency. Was it Indian public who imposed national emergency?
You have already shown us that your civic sense.
Okay, ma'am.
By
Okay.
putting your hand like this. I will not.
I'm just showing what you are doing in the parliament. You keep on showing all world what you are doing in the parliament. We are just following you.
You can show me by your words.
Sir, as per my observation, all of the guys from your group are saying about the civic sense. Okay, so first of all, I would like to mention that we have enough civic sense. Okay.
Okay.
And you can observe that in the society, most of the people are unemployed. They don't even have food, clothes. So you are expecting from them the civic sense first.
Yes.
Of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar from the history of the Indian Constitution. He is saying the law, policy and the governance is the builder of the society. So if the condition of the India or the country is getting worse, that is the responsibility of the government, not the responsibility of society.
Let's talk about law and all. Okay, system can make law. Okay, red lights, like this kind of facilities. Law can provide you
System can provide you facilities, but your people, those who are having this kind of facility, they don't want to you. If I'm talking about red light, okay, whenever you go red light, you see there is no policeman. Now we can jump. Okay, there is no policeman. We can go wrong side. There is no policeman, and we can go. You can say without helmet and all. Okay, if I'm talking about our law, you have to follow law cause of fear, cause of challan and all. That's why you follow. But no, you don't think it's not our duty. If you think it's our duty, then India will become like America, Japan and all, which you want.
Silence, guys.
So, sir, you want that we have to perform our duty.
Yes.
But where the officers of the government are doing their duty?
Yes.
Why any of the officer are not there at the red light for catching the person who are jumping the red light? And you have to install the cameras and all at that area to get. Why you are not working for that? Yes. And you know one more thing, the person or the government officials are there, but the problem is they are corrupt. They get the money from the richest person and they let them go, and they don't, and they sue, and they only catch the person who are poor and sue them in the court.
You are talking about rich people. They can give to bribe to officermen and all.
Yes.
They are God.
Yes.
They are God. They are not public.
Bribe.
No, you were saying there are so many rich person, okay, who can give to them bribe. Okay, they are not public, they are God. It's a responsible Modi ji. Then you say I met with accident cause of Modi, cause of our government. You don't think now I was going wrong path. And there is two, if you want to save drive, follow the rule, but you don't. And then you blame government. Government is gone.
Okay. Sir, we are paying the tax. Okay?
Yes.
And the responsibility of the government is to make the policy.
Yes.
After that, if the policies get failure, how can you blame the follower? We are the citizens, are follower of this policy.
Yes.
You are the builder of the policy. Your policy get failure and you are still blaming the peoples.
Okay. You are also part of public, okay, and I think you are having your fast food shop, I think.
No.
There are so many shopkeepers, okay, those who are earning, but they don't want to go for tax, GST and all, and they think now Indian having so many black money and all. So how would system can create laws, but you have to follow.
So if we don't have enough power to implementation of these rules, you have the power to make the person to implement these rules.
You are having court, you are having power, you are having your own
Do you
rights,
really think the
but
court
you
are
don't
not,
know how to use, so it's not.
Do you
system
really
problem,
think
brother.
the courts are not corrupt?
Sorry?
Accident of the Noida. A guy who is fall down in the drain. The police officials are the first one witness who are reached over there, but they didn't do anything for him. After, in spite of that, a person who is a delivery boy are jump in the drain to save him. You know, the corruption is not only by the money. If you don't do your work properly, if you don't perform your duty as well, that is also considered in the corruption.
He was drunk and he was unable to ride. That's why
Government focus on the specific place, like the Connaught Place. They focus on that place to construct the every road.
Yes.
But why they don't focus on the Mongolpuri and the Budh Vihar as well?
Do you know why? I am telling you. Before making the road, one of the person of MCD, he comes to street and he says,
That if we can get food in just 10 minutes, why we cannot get ambulance?
So it is the fault of the system.
Because you,
How can you say that?
Yes, I'm saying. Because it is your responsibility to give all the good facilities to people of India, and it is your responsibility, but you are not performing your duty very well.
Why we are not getting the ambulance only in the 10 minutes? Who told you like we are not getting the ambulance? Even if we talk about the system, we are developing the hospitals nearby us.
Ma'am, it is happening only in the paper, not in the reality.
It is in the reality.
No, ma'am. Even after dying, when patient died, then ambulance reached over there.
So there are the 15 hospitals nearby us, in which we can reach over there in a 5 minutes. It is very easy for us.
But-
Why we are waiting for the ambulance?
Ma'am,
Why
sometimes
the public
sometimes we
don't
cannot. Sometimes we cannot go.
How can
It
you
is
don't
why,
go?
that is why we need ambulance. So,
Don't you
so
have
why,
a neighbor
don't you
family?
think why
Don't you
ambulance
have
is
the
made?
family to go
If we
over
can
there?
go, so why ambulance is made? Why ambulance is made? If we can go.
Okay.
So why is made?
Because of you guys. मैं रख लूँ अपना point. Okay. Just let me raise my point.
Yes.
You people, religions is based on the system. Like systems are, sir उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Religion. Systems are based on the religion. Okay. So how the people, you public, why you don't let us children allowed to get married with the another caste people? Why? System stops to you. System stops to you get married with another caste.
Intercaste marriage is to stop him.
Like our family don't let us allow to get married. So system said to us, our family, to don't let them allow to get married.
Ma'am, it is not about system and you. According to the constitution, after 18 years, you can do everything. It doesn't matter what do you want.
But
You can.
still our public is
Why do
stopping us.
why do you think why do you think about public?
Okay,
Why do you need to think about
why
them?
the youth are eloped?
You,
Why
you,
the eloped?
you can live your life. Why do you need to
Why
think
the
about
youths
it?
are eloped? Why?
No, system is not saying, but you can.
So who is doing this kind of things? Because of the public.
Why? We can go to the direct any.
Who provide this kind of facilities? Who provide this kind of facilities
And-
to,
and-
to
and
get
why- so
married,
why-
to get to go in the magistrate? Who provide
Brother,
this kind of
ma'am,
facilities?
do you know
System,
what-
system provides. Why your public?
Yes, system is providing.
Why your public? Why your parents not let you allowed to get married with another caste boy or girl? Why?
Because is that everybody knows there are so many MP and MLA. They are having such a crimes which is registered on their name. So why not making such a law so that they cannot compete in the election?
My dear, we have laws. We
So
have
why they are
laws,
not
but
getting punished?
your public
Why they are
is
not getting
voting
punished?
them. Your public is cast vote them.
Ma'am,
We have a laws.
Ma'am, you should make the law where the candidate cannot compete in the election. How they are competing if you have made
Who
such a
gave the
rules?
confidence to elect the votes?
Ma'am,
Who gave the confidence to cast their votes?
even
the public.
First of all, you
the
should
neighbors.
follow the legal. You are not following. You should at least you should make the law. You are not making.
Okay, which rules do you know about this? Which rules do you know about it?
Which rules means? What do you want?
Like you are talking about, if any MLA do the crime, so we don't have any kind of law. है ना? बता दो यार. We have.
So tell me what is you?
यार मुझे ये नहीं तो मिलेगा. Put here another point.
Another point. Do you know, ma'am? If you comparing any other country, they can make a bullet train in 600 crore. But in India, if you make any kind of वो क्या होता है सर? road bridge, it will take more than that.
Okay, now and even in the government schools, the government are providing the fees, like the some money for the youth studying. So why the people are not studying for reaching over there?
Have you ever visited any village and any outside of Delhi? You have visited?
Yeah, I have visited.
So everybody is over there. People are coming
Why
here
it's not
to get.
developing? Because of the public, because they are not getting the not taking the stand for themselves.
They are taking, but you are not listening. Even though,
Okay, who are taking the stand for themselves?
Let me put my next.
Public
point.
is the only thing who can take their own stand. After that, they can.
Yes, we
go for
takes,
the system.
but
They can go
when
for
we
the
take,
system.
when
They
we
are
take,
not going
on
for
that
the
time
system.
we was beating. When we take, we was beating on that time. We were beating. As you can see, when teachers were protesting for students, they were beating by the government. Why it's happening? Where? In the SSC protest. You can see the. Yes. They were beating during SSC protest. They were fighting for the students and they were beating by the.
Okay, what is the good way to protest over there?
They were teachers. How can you say that they
were
do
teachers.
not? They were
So
teachers, ma'am.
what were they doing over there?
Very peacefully.
No, they were not protesting very peacefully.
They were-
Yes. And clean roads to like go anywhere. But what we do, people, we littering everywhere. So system tell to us to littering everywhere.
No. I consider that.
So-
I consider that it is a problem of civic sense. Do you know in the China
Government
and in
will, government will
yes,
teach the
yes.
civic sense.
Let me speak.
How
Let
government
me
will
let
teach
me
the-
speak. Let me speak.
How
Let me
government will teach the civic
I'm going to
sense
say,
of the
I'm going to
140
say,
crore
I'm
people.
going to say, ma'am. Do you know about China and Japan? civic science is being taught over there, and as well as Japan, as well as China. But in India, but you are teaching in student in primary school. You are not teaching how to behave with the elder and how to behave to younger. You are not.
In schools, they can't.
You are not. You are not teaching.
We are attracted towards the negative things. We are not towards. We are not attracted towards the positive things.
This kind is not being taught in schools. I have
These
seen.
things have taught me
I
in
have
school.
visited so
I have
many
been taught
schools.
in school this kind of things.
If you
My
go,
teachers taught me this kind of
if you
things.
go and what is happening over there?
I am a student who is from the government school, and my
Ma'am, I'm
teachers
talking-
taught me this kind of
Now-
things.
You guys blame India while standing in the line at airport. And like you are a person who spit at airport, and then you become a totally different person after going in a foreign country. Why? Did your DNA change in the flight? Did your DNA change in the flight? Same government over there in that country.
You are telling that we are spitting on airport also.
You are spitting everywhere.
On airport. Where have you seen?
Everywhere. Wherever you like find it is a clean place and you spit.
Bro, that's a private property. They will not allow you to spit even, and even if you misbehave there, they will kick you out there, kick you out from airport areas. Even you can't show your bad civic sense there.
What about
Farmers MSP?
farmers?
Like minimum
Can you please
support
explain?
price. Okay, that is a scheme which government promised to farmers. They will buy grains. Okay, grains from farmers who doesn't able to sell their grains to direct to wholesalers. Okay, so they made this kind of promises, but what happened in reality, they failed doing this successfully, because their system always make fake promises, and they always try to highlight that we made
Then
this
why
kind of
do you
system.
cast your vote over there?
What?
Why do you cast your vote?
We are just
You become a totally different person after going in a foreign country. Why? If you think, if it is our mistake, is it not your mistake choosing again and again?
see this. See, I want to also say that in this era, if I have to choose a government, okay, government party, so I have to see that if that party is less greedy, okay, not like they will develop our areas and they will.
You know what
do
you
some-
guys do? You just see the caste instead of the capability of the person.
What?
That's what you do.
What I do? You are just guys are doing that. Let me give you example of BJP. Okay, they told that there is a line Ram Mandir बनाएंगे, BJP को लेके आएंगे. Okay, at that time they were doing that. They were collecting donation from public. Public, and they were just building that Ram Mandir, and instead of budgeting on development, they just did what 70% of budget they spend on advertising their party to just win the election.
Okay. So Sam, you knew that before the elections. You knew that before the elections, right?
What?
You knew this thing before the elections.
Yeah, we knew this time.
Everyone knew.
Yeah.
Right? So why did you guys cast your vote? Just a simple question. Yes or no?
What you were saying, I didn't get your point.
What?
Let me repeat again. Political parties.
If I am in the favor of system, that doesn't mean I support any political party. I support central government.
You are representing every government party here. Okay, you don't have to make excuses on that. You are if example also, let me counter with an example also. Let me counter with one point also, that there is a scheme, India Startup. Okay, they were giving 10 lakh to 1 crore
That
to
is
every
Startup
businessman. Okay, let me tell you first that
Okay.
they were giving this kind of capitals to every person, but in the end they failed this setup also, because they were just gambling it. We are just paying taxes to you, and you guys are just gambling on this kind of making schemes, and you are just gambling because you don't know how to make budget efficiently and distribute to every person and who is capable of run business. 90% of startups were failed because of what? You guys are giving 1 crore rupees, let's say as an example, and you were also charging 10% interest rate to a normal person. If I am going to do
You
this,
are doing the same.
see,
You are saying the
let me-
same
let me
thing
complete
again and
that.
again.
Let me complete
If-
that. Like if I am going to take around 1 crore capital, then I have to pay 10 lakh rupees. Then it's just a bankruptcy for me because I am from poor family. Okay, that doesn't.
What can you repeat? Can you repeat?
Like if I have like 1 crore from you, like you are seeding me as a business capital. Okay, then I have to pay 10% rate of interest on that capital also. You are just taking back that money also and also making interest on that. Okay, you guys are not making like schemes for a person to become like really successful in future.
You put your point. I was not able to understand that. Sorry for that.
Okay.
But I just like want to put my point.
Okay, point.
That's just about civic sense.
What?
That's just about civic sense.
Civic sense.
Okay. Suppose you are eating something. You are eating wafers, like wafers, and there is not a dustbin over there.
Okay.
You have a bag on your shoulders, and what are you going to do next? You are going to throw it in the lake on the roads.
I am not doing that. I am not
It's
throwing.
not you, but
Yeah.
it's the people sitting
So
over
you
there.
have to make rules. You have to make rules and you have to keep
Everyone do-
surveillance on every person. Canada
Where
also.
phones can be stolen, where should we like install CCTV? Where phones can be stolen,
I'm
should
not-
we like
I'm not
apply
telling-
CCTV over there?
I'm not telling
How
like,
can we like,
you can I can
how
give
can
you
we put surveillance?
like China does also.
What channel?
China also like surveilling every person who is doing like this kind of
But they
bad
are not
things.
people. They are not people over there like India. I have told you like over here, even like phones are stolen, and you are saying like we need to put CCTV in the streets.
So that's your system which fails day by day. Like
That's the public that fails, bro.
no, bro.
What?
Road corruption.
Road
Every
corruption.
year we allocate around 2 lakh crore rupees on just roads. Okay, but in the end, what we get like in BJP, in Bihar and UP, I will get you as example like what we can say Bihar and UP. Okay.
Okay, as you have given the
40% of
example of
roads.
Bihar, we built the system built the roads, and you guys stole it.
Yeah, system
The
built
system built the roads, you guys stole it. Why?
Almost like a 75, more than 75 years of independence. But still, there after 75 years, but still people do not have any sense that how to behave in society. And you know very well that India worldwide is famous for the democracy. And one thing you should know: the democracy, the people, the power is in the hand of peoples because they have the power to elect their leaders. Not a system elect their leaders.
Very well said by you. Like as you can see, the government is providing education, but do you know what kind of education they are providing? Even the teachers don't know what are they teaching the children.
What are the teaching?
Yeah, even they don't know, and they are uneducated. If you go in villages, you will see many people are there, those who are the teacher, and they are making their own students cheat. They are providing the cheats. This is happening in the Indian villages, and.
Was the 12th fail movie, so that's why you say it like that. Okay, guys, I want to tell you one thing. I'm in class 12th and I'm studying in government school, sector 2, and I know very well that like how much knowledge, that how much quality of knowledge that the government teacher have, and I think that you used to study in a private school. Let me complete. I let speak. Okay. Now it's my turn. Please let me speak. Okay, I know very well like it may be possible that you used to study in a private school. Just one thing keep in mind: the private teachers always preparing for a government job. But when they didn't get the government job, and then they start studying in private school. Then they start teaching in private school.
To know one thing, if government schools are really providing that much of good education, then why educated people are sending their children into private schools, and they are paying a very good amount of money? If government school is giving you everything, every facility, then people are those who are rich, those who are educated, they are fooled that they are sending their own child in private schools.
I think it may be possible that they are educated goose, not a fool. Because I know very well if the person is rich, definitely it's his choice to send their children abroad or private school and go in government school. But just one thing keep in mind: the attitude matters a lot. If the rich person send their children to the government school, definitely the people say, "Hey, यार इतना पैसा तब भी ऐसे कर रहे हो तुम." And what about
So just
let
so
me
you
complete.
are going.
And
You said.
Okay, sir. Let me speak.
You said that means you are going out for people opinion. You are not focusing on your own thing. You are just thinking, what will people say? That's what matter to you. Like what
Okay.
will people say?
Tell me.
And you will choose your career according to what people are saying. Just people don't criticize you. You will go in you will ignore the good education and you will go for government.
No, bhai, you said that the peoples are criticizing government school. Okay, now tell me, the APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, now tell me, the most of the successful leaders, the most successful peoples that they used to studying in government school. So why they are successful? Tell me, why they are
used to-
successful? Well, like tell me, sir. Let me speak. Like if your children,
Okay,
like
you said people. You told about APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes.
no, I am not talking about the APJ Abdul Kalam. I am talking on an average. You can see that the most of the people that they used to study in government school and they got success. What about?
But there is a very big difference in that
if
era.
your children,
Now
if your
tell me-
children
now
bunk the
let me
classes,
speak.
if your children do not teach the schooling properly, so is it our fault? We providing same education to all of you. So why are you people?
India, like you expect the citizens of India, public of the India, to behave in a right manner. And how can you expect that when the politicians themselves are not following the rule? You know what happened in Madhya Pradesh?
Okay.
Let me complete first. You know what happened in the Madhya Pradesh? An MLA of Madhya Pradesh, he was doing sex in the middle of the road.
Okay.
And that video gone viral. If the politicians are doing those kind of things, they don't have control on their own desires. How can you expect the citizen to behave in a right manner?
Thing.
Yes, sir.
Like I know what the MLA did on the road. So who elects the MLA? People rather than me.
But then
People.
But they
rather than
didn't
me.
show
Answer
the
me.
real face.
People rather than me.
They didn't.
People. Let me complete. I have seen the most of the peoples that they have this type of criminal cases, that they have rape cases like in UP, in Andhra Pradesh, in Goa, but still the people keep on selecting them. Why?
Because
You are
they
an
don't
educated
say.
goose.
Because
You are an educated
Because the politicians, they pretend to be a good man. That's why people, India, like
So you
people
don't
of
have any
India,
brain. That's
let
how
me
to think.
complete now.
You don't have any brain.
Elect them because of their personality they show before the election.
Okay.
They show that they will change the world. They show that they will change the world. And after getting elected, after getting the seat, they totally change because they are hypocrites. They show their real face after getting elected.
Okay, sir. If you don't mind, you are selecting a candidate. You are selecting a political leader on his personality, on his knowledge.
Personality,
on his
I'm
personality,
talking
on his knowledge. You told
obviously,
about personality.
obviously.
Okay. In every election, you are looking for a caste system. You are looking for a Jija, my
Why people want to become a, you can say ki government officer and government teacher and government sector. Why they want to become a teacher and all of government employees?
Because your system, you can see the condition of India. There is no development. We cannot live there easily. Everyone go outside for living joyful.
People, you can say responsible for these things. Not only government responsible for these things. Okay.
You can do everything. If you have a power, you can do everything. But you do not working on your field. If you have a power, you can change everything. You can change the mentality of people. But you are not working on your field. You are just to fill your tummy and your houses.
Or you have a lots of things and you say you can say in Nepal what people do, what public do, they do Generation Z and they destroy all, you can say all government, and they make new law and new government for themselves.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah. It's good. Because we have a power. We have a power to change government because you are the servant of people. Your system is the servant of people. We are not servant of government. We have a right to
are a servant of people. Okay, I understand. I understand. We are a servant of people. We are providing lots of things. You can say lots of facilities for public. What public do? Public. You can say public piss anywhere. Public stand anywhere in a corner and piss and sing a song. आसमां को धरती पे लाने वाला चाहिए. What the nonsense thing they public do? This is wrong. This is totally bad. Public don't have any civic sense.
Okay, you are also coming in the public. Okay, you are also public, but you do not have a mind. Okay, how to manage a country, how to running country. Because you know what? Have you ever seen the condition of India? There is a lots of dug on the road. We cannot save. We cannot drive bike and ride safely.
इसमें बोलेंगे कैसे खर्च करा हमने भाई 1200 crore for you can say cleanage of our India.
Firstly,
what people do?
How much money did you splurge?
What people do? People throw garbage anywhere, and after 10 minutes they were crossing on that street, and what they said ki people and don't have any civic sense, but government do. Totally blamed government. Why?
Where is that money? Where is that money?
Where is the civic sense? Where is the civic sense?
Where is that money? 400 crore.
Huh? India for cleanage of our India, okay? Not for government employees.
Lots of unemployment person and you are not given opportunity. What is government doing?
Sir, government make the laws, government implement the laws, but what people do? People don't behave in a good manner. They use the
you made the rule. Even after that is that you are not following the traffic rules. Even I'm seeing lots of police. They are not using helmet, and government is not using. Government is spreading lots of pollution. Election will come and government is using lots of vehicles. Even you are spreading lots of pollution, and even you are blaming the public. Public is throwing the garbage on the Yamuna and public is spit on the road. That is real. That is reality.
Too many works for our environment, but what people do? People throw people pollute our holy rivers like Yamuna and Ganga. They rivers like Yamuna and Ganga polluted day by day. Or who is responsible for polluting our rivers?
Government.
Why government? Okay, I have.
He is giving lots of GST.
Sir, I have a point.
Let me complete, ma'am.
Public burn the crackers just for their happiness, just celebrating their weddings and festivals, and people also burn the crackers when we won the IPL match. Why? This creates a air pollution. Who is faulty?
So cracking the crackers on the IPL, you should ban the cracker. Why? What is
Sir, but
doing
public.
Let me complete. If I am talking about those who are making the pan masala and pas masala dilbag, those who are making that
Is responsible for that. Why you split on road? Road is a dustbin.
So you are not.
For what is government? So for what is government taking tax?
Why?
To you that what is doing public nowadays, because I think government have make fundamental right constitution. There are so many things which have made by government, and also like public is not following that thing. So why do you think that public is good?
Okay, so as you know, government is providing many schemes, but those who need these schemes, they don't get these schemes. Government is providing pension scheme, government is providing midday meal scheme, government is providing Ayushman Yojana. There are so many things which government providing, but public is not following in a good way that thing.
The public is responsible for the poor condition of India because government provide and government create a lots of museum, lot of historical places, and the public go there, visited there, and they destroy the monuments.
What they did?
I don't know what are you talking about?
That public are responsible for Indian problems.
Because what I believe that a system is like a brain of the nation and public is like the body of the nation. If a brain gives you some instructions, rules, strategies and policies, and if a body like body doesn't execute the plans, discipline, doesn't follow civic sense, so who will be the responsible for paralyzing?
Ruling our nation.
Public is
Not
ruling our
public.
nation.
Government is ruling.
You made us.
No,
na?
yeah, I made you to give us a good life, but you are not able to give us a good life. Women are being raped. Okay, crimes has been increasing day by day, and you are not doing anything. Politicians, they are living their life happily, but common people, they are just facing a problem. They are facing a low infrastructure. They are not getting a good health care.
Crime comes from the value, not from the laws.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So why we create the constitution? Why we create IPCs? Why we create constitution?
We have launched so many policies like Smart India, midday meal, and Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and Ayushman Bharat. What have you done?
Okay.
As a citizen of a nation.
Okay. Actually, how can you say?
Just because of you choose a honcho just for a bottle. So what can I do for you? People makes a government because we are democracy. If you want to change the fruit, you need to change the root, and public mindset is the root.
You are not selecting a sanity person, a good act person who can develop your country. Why are you selecting again and again oftenly a corrupted person? Why are you know the status of yourself? You are just getting sold yourself for 1 quarter of bottle, and you are just talking about the development. What of dude?
So first your government is corrupt, okay?
So why are you making us corrupt? Why are you giving bribe to us? Did I say you to give?
Okay. You have officers. Your officer is corrupt.
I have a lot. That's why we are here.
Why you take bribe? You have civic sense. Why you take bribe?